On Monday afternoon, a two-vehicle accident occurred on Alabama Highway, Georgia 20, at Mays Bridge Road, directly in front of the International Paper Business entrance. The accident involved two semi-trucks. One of the trucks, hauling a fully loaded flatbed trailer, crashed into the International Paper sign. The other semi, which appeared to be transporting wood chips, sustained significant front-end damage. Floyd County Emergency Management reported that 100 gallons of diesel fuel spilled as a result of the crash. First responders temporarily closed down inbound traffic into Rome until the vehicles and diesel could be cleared from the roadway. One individual was transported from the scene to the hospital following the incident. Reporting for WRGA News, I'm Ethan Garrett.